Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Have you ever used run from this activity and run to this activity option in UiPath? If no, then this video is for you. Let's start here. So I'm going to take one example. In this, first I have taken one open application activity which will open UI demo application, and then I am taking two type into activity to type username and password, and one click activity to click on login button, and one message box that will show that login successful. Now if I will run directly this file, so what will happen, it will launch this application, it will type, and then it will show a message box that is login successful. Now there is one option that is run from this activity. So run from this activity is used when you want to start doing testing, that is used for the debugging purpose, for the testing purpose. If you want to just test from this, you want to start. We have learned blue prism. So in the blue prism also we have option we can set as a next stage, and then we can start from there. Same here, if I want to run directly from this activity, I don't want to open from here, I already have one application opened and I want to start typing username and password there and then login. So I can use run from this activity. So let me show you. Let me open this application. It means I don't want to check this activity, open application activity. I know that this is working fine. So I just want to check these three activities or these four, this is working fine or not. So now what will I do? Right click on this activity because I want to start from this activity, and click on run from this activity, and now you can see automatically it will highlight this one and then it will open in the debug mode. So this is debug options. Now click on step into, or you can click on continue. So you will see here it will start typing username and password and login successful. So this is the option of debug, that is run from this activity. You can also start from here, you can directly start from here also, you can start from any specific activity. Now the second option, that is run to this activity. It means I want to complete these four activity, but I don't want to execute this part. So what will I do? I will right click on this and I will select, I will click on this run to this activity. So what will happen? UiPath will execute only four activities. It will not go, it will not execute this message box. It will come and pause here. So right click and click on run to this activity, and now you will see it will launch that application, UI demo application, and then it will type username password and click on that. And now it is not executing message box because we have selected run to this activity, only run to this activity. Do not run this one, run to this, right? And now if you want to run this, you want to check, you can click step into, you can do it. So this is the use of run from this activity and run to this activity. This is just used for the testing purpose, debugging purpose. That is very helpful. I have used, and most of the time I use whenever I debug my projects, whenever I test my projects. That is helpful, and I hope that is helpful for you. So please like this video and subscribe this channel and share with friend, and if you have any question, comment, then please comment on video. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching this video.